Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome back to Unfinished Creations. So today's video is a mug painting video where I'll be sharing how to paint dot mandal on a ceramic mug. And this is the mug we will be painting, and I'll show you how to make it waterproof and durable and all that stuff. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm taking a ceramic mug. It is plain and I'm choosing a white color, and I'll be using two set of tape to support my mug so that it does not move while I'm painting. Now I'm marking the center point of my mug, and on a sticker I am drawing this circle, and then I'll cut it out to place it on the center of my mug, which I will be using later. I need a circle as a base to start my dot mandal, so that's why I'm sticking this circle sticker in the middle of my mug. Now I'm using this Montmartre ceramic paints. It has all the description on this packet, and I'll be using dotting tools, brushes and all this stuff. So let's get started with the painting. I'm using the yellow ceramic paint first, and I started with few dots, but then I realized I need to dilute it with a little bit of water because it has gotten thick, and then I diluted it with water, and now I am starting to paint with my dot mandal. So why we are using this tape as on the sides to support our mug, because otherwise the mug can move and the dots might drip. So this way you don't have to hold the mug, and your both hands are free to make your beautiful design. So while we are painting on mug, because the surface of the mug is so smooth and also it's not very flat, so the only thing you need to take care is that your paint is not very watery, otherwise it will drip. It will start dripping from the surface of your mug because it is so smooth, and also the surface is not very flat. And you can use anything to support your mug. It's not necessary to use only the tape itself, but you can use maybe two big erasers or something which will make them which will put it into one place and does not move. So after finishing this green layer of dot circle, I'll be making a light orange color, mixing red and yellow. So in this set of paint you will get 6 shades, 6 normal shades of paint, but you can mix them and create lots of different varieties of shades, and that's why create like different designs on your mug. This is the mug I'm making here is going to be a personalized mug which you can gift to anybody you want to gift to. You can after we are done painting the dot mandal design, I'll be removing the sticker and I'll be writing the initial of the person whom I want to gift it to. So I am making this for my mom. So mom starts with M, and also my mom's name start with M. So later on, after finishing my design, I'll be writing M letter in the center of my dot mandal design. Here now I'll be lifting up my sticker carefully, and then I'll be using a brush and red ceramic paint to write down the letter M in the center of my design. So here's how you can make it personalized. You can write any initial you want, or you can make a little bit of a bigger circle if you want to write a code, or if you want to write the full name, or if you want to write like something, if you're giving it on a special date, the date, or anything, like you can write anything. Now I'll let this mug dry for at least 24 hours. I let it dry for 2 days actually, and then I'll bake it in the oven at 140 degrees for 30 minutes, I think so. I forgot, but here you will see how many minutes do I set the timer for, and then 30 minutes at 140 degrees, and then we will bake it in the preheat oven, and once it's done we will take it out. Now our colors are permanent, but leave it for 24 hours to dry after baking, and don't touch it like it's hot. And after that I will show you that I'm washing the mug with soap and water. Like, leave it for 24 hours after baking, don't wash it instantly. After that you can test it out and wash it and see the colors are intact, it doesn't go. I have a mug which I painted like few years ago, I think 4 years ago or more than that, and it is still there, it is still intact. So yeah, you can make your own personalized mug or beautiful creative designs on your mug with this technique. And now I'm enjoying my beautiful homemade, handmade not homemade mug until I meet my mom and give it to her. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. Give me, share your comments or your feedback in the comment section below. I would love to hear them and I'll reply to each one of them. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'm trying to grow here again and I'm trying to be consistent. So your subscribe, like and comment will be a really good motivation for me. Yeah, also you can comment down below what next you want to see on my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Have been creative. Bye bye.